Hello Spartans, and welcome back to Spartan Spotlight episode 10. My name is Barbara Hernandez.
And I'm Aaron Iwasha.
Aaron, are you looking forward to Thanksgiving?
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to all the food.
Me too. Do you have any favorite memories from Thanksgiving?
I'd say I have a couple, but mostly I really enjoy being able to sit at the table with my family and just spend some time to really think about what we're grateful for.
Thanksgiving is all about being appreciative about those who you love and care for. It's easy to forget about what really is important. Not many people get to sit at a table around people that they care for. So take the time to remember and to give thanks and grace. Just a reminder that November 21st through November 25th is our Thanksgiving break.
The clubs we're introducing this week are Environmental Club with President Brianna Becerra and Social Media Director Audrey Diaz.
Hello, I'm Brianna Becerra and I'm the president of Environmental Club.
Hi, I'm Audrey Diaz and I'm one of the directors of Social Media in Environmental Club.
Environmental Club was founded this year and our goal was to spread awareness of environmental issues happening around us. We want to make the school and community more of an eco-friendly place.
Once a month, we hold beach cleanups and an after-school activity where we do things and little projects that take a little longer than we can do in the lunch period.
We have meetings every other month on Tuesday in room 28.
If this sounds like a club you want to join, come to one of our meetings. We would love to have you.
Girls Who Code with the club president Lena Stevenson.
Hi, I'm Lena Stevenson. I'm the president of Girls Who Code Club. So every other Wednesday we meet after school from 3:50 to 4:30 p.m. and we aim to introduce women that are interested in STEM into different coding languages such as Python and JavaScript. So every month we're working to complete different coding projects that are in different languages, and we work together, so you don't need any prior coding knowledge or experience to join. All beginners are welcome. I would also like to introduce an upcoming event hosted by VCOE. It's called Hackathon by the Sea. It's taking place on January 6th and 7th. It's a coding event, so you also can be a beginner if you would like to join. You just attend and work on different coding projects with the group, and it's really fun. All food is provided, so you should try and attend if you can. If you're interested in this event or our club, you can find more information on our Instagram. It's Girls Who Code RMHS.
And the College and Career Club with the president Melissa Gutierrez and vice president Damari Medina.
Hi guys, I'm Melissa Gutierrez. I'm the president of the College and Career Club.
Hi guys, I'm Damari Medina and I'm your vice president for the College and Career Club. So the focus of the College and Career Club is to show high school students what their options are outside of high school, whether that be any college or any career options.
But as a club, we're just here to support you, whether we're mainly focusing on freshmen and sophomores, where we're helping you out, whether that's academically, emotionally, or just trying to get your extracurriculars in so you're not so stressed out in senior year. But overall, like, one of the things we want to do is go on field trips, especially to colleges. So please come out and see our club.
We also have mentors for you guys, which are all seniors, because they have the most experience out of all of us, and they're just there to help you out, which is what Melissa was talking about as well. Our meetings are every other Friday in the College and Career Center.
And our social media is shown. So we hope to see you there.
Bye guys.
Bye.
On December 1st, Wellness Center will be hosting its first parent engagement night. Parents and guardians of Rio Mesa students are welcome to learn about the keys to finding mental health support.
It's a presentation to inform and motivate the community to seek early treatment. Just to know, however, that the presentation is only in Spanish. The Wellness Center is planning for an English presentation in the near future.
This presentation will be held in the library at 6 o'clock in the evening. El Centro de Bienestar va a tener una presentación de noche de participación de los padres. Los padres y tutores de estudiantes de Rio Mesa están invitados a conocer las claves para encontrar apoyo de salud mental.
Es una presentación para informar y motivar a la comunidad para buscar tratamiento temprano. Solo una nota que esta presentación solo va a ser en español. El Centro de Bienestar está planeando una presentación en inglés en el futuro cercano.
Esta presentación se realizará en la biblioteca a las 6 de la tarde.
The Wellness Center is currently recruiting new wellness peers.
To be a wellness peer, you have to be sociable and comfortable with public speaking. You will be helping destigmatize mental health around campus.
If you're a junior or a sophomore with a 3.0 GPA, then you are a perfect fit to be a wellness peer.
If interested, email Ms. Rodriguez and schedule an interview after school.
Good golly gee, it's been so cold recently and I have no warm clothes.
Did you know you can actually get dripped out in Spartan attire?
Really? Where do I buy it though?
Great question. You can go to the Spartan web store and order anything from hoodies to shirts to stay warm in fashion.
As simple as that, I really have to check it out.
Seniors, if you need any assistance with your college applications, we have an amazing opportunity for you.
Monday, November 11th, there will be a college application workshop at Adolfo Camarillo High School in their College and Career Center from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. If you find yourself confused on any aspect of college applications, make sure to go and check it for yourself.
Make sure to check out the College and Career Center website on the Rio Mesa website. The College and Career Center is a huge help for first-generation students and anyone who needs help with their future.
If you're thinking of applying to any colleges, make sure to sign up for the EOPS program. This will be held November 16th during 4th period. This is especially important for seniors.
On that note, here's a reminder to join the College and Career Center Google Classroom. With the November scholarships growing, you do not want to miss out on any information. With college application season in prime, please don't forget to turn in all your submissions.
For any seniors who enjoy writing, there will be a senior essay competition in the upcoming weeks hosted by the Association of California School Administrations.
We highly encourage you to participate in this. There will be cash prizes for the winners. Submission deadlines will be December 9th.
For anyone interested in having more academic opportunities, we advise you to look into going to the Spartan Saturday Academy.
You can clear absences, recover missed credits, earn extra credits, and prep for tests.
Transportation is now available and you can check out the bus routes and time on the Rio Mesa website or stop by the office for the bus schedule.
That's it for us this episode.
Stay tuned for sports and weather.
Daniel, what are you doing?
I'm about to eat a cake pop from Yum Cake Pops. As you can see, in this delicious cake pop, there's a Christmas tree. You know what that means? It means Christmas is approaching. I'm Daniel Estrada, and I'm here to give you your weather report for the week. Alright, Spartans, this week is going to be a bit sunny. It's going to have probably that cold feeling in it still, but at least it's good that we're going to have some sun in it. For Monday and Tuesday, we are going to be having sunny days with highs of 65 to 67 and lows of 46 to 48. For Wednesday and Thursday, we are going to be having sunny days again with highs of 66 and lows of 47. For Friday, we are going to be having a few clouds coming in with a high of 65 and a low of 48. Your weekend is going to be getting a bit cloudy with highs of 63 to 64 and lows of 48 to 49. Alright, Spartans, and that's going to be your weather report for the week. I'm Daniel Estrada. I hope you stay safe, stay warm, and I'll catch you in the next time.
Welcome Spartans to our 10th Spartan Sports Center. My name is Rodney Adams.
And my name is Kevin Gutierrez. After getting to the CIF playoffs, the Rio Mesa football team was unfortunately defeated in the first round versus Pacifica.
It was a 34-7 score. Good job, guys. It was a great season for everyone. Basketball season will be returning soon. Varsity's first regular season game won't be until December 5th. Meanwhile, Varsity will be playing in the Santa Clara tournament.
The games will be from November 21st all the way to the 26th. They will be hosted at Santa Clara High School, and the games will begin at 7 p.m.
We would also like to acknowledge the girls basketball team's community service.
Coach White has been teaching the girls basketball team a sense of pride in our community.
And just like Coach White says, don't complain about it, be about it.
It's always great to see our Spartans helping out our community. On Friday, November 11th, our varsity cross-country team will run at the CIF prelims at Mount San Antonio College at 12 p.m. Good luck to everyone.
Rio Mesa's Sofia Godina placed 6th overall at the SoCal Championships.
Also, Joshua Weinerth was 18th overall at the SoCal Championships. Great job to the both of you.
Here we have an interview with the captain of the tennis team.
Hey, what's up, guys? Andy here, and I'm here with our #1 varsity tennis player,
Honur Singh.
and I'm going to be asking him a few questions about tennis. So, Honur, what do you like about tennis?
I think it's a really interesting and fun sport, and it's really easy to learn for beginners, and especially here at Rio, the vibe with the coach and the team is just really amazing, so I love it.
Okay, so I heard you're having tryouts sometime soon. When will you have your tryouts?
Yeah, so tryouts will be at December 1st, right after 6th period.
What will you have to do to join tennis?
We're having a mandatory lunch meeting in room 29, Tuesday, November 15th. So just make sure all new and returning players go there.
So if the viewers have any questions about tennis, where can they go?
Feel free to go to Coach Edwards in room 29 at lunch and ask him any questions that you have.
That will end our Spartan Sports Center for this week.
Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Andy here. We all know that Thanksgiving's coming up and we have a week off of school. And if you know me, I love interviews. So enjoy the next couple of minutes because we got some Thanksgiving interviews for you guys. So yeah, enjoy. What are you thankful for?
I'm definitely thankful for my time here at Rio Mesa.
Mostly grateful for my family, my friends, all the memories I have here at Rio Mesa, for the Wellness Center.
I am thankful for you. I'm thankful for Spartan Spotlight. I am thankful for all my amazing students, periods 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
I'm thankful for Angie, of course, all my friends, Daniel the weatherman, Miguel, and Monique, of course, and my family, and of course my little puppies.
I'm thankful for Damari, my friends and family, my dogs.
I am thankful for my students. They always make me smile and they never give me a boring day.
For Thanksgiving, I usually spend time with my family, eat a lot of good food, and that's pretty much it.
I love to just rest, be with family, and eat.
Normally with my friends, we have a Friendsgiving and at someone's house or at a park, and with my family, just traditional, just have dinner at the house.
Me and my family usually gather up and it's like a potluck basically.
I'm usually the one cooking, but I think I'm just gonna go to Disneyland this year.
We have something called a turkey bowl. So we play a flag football game with all my friends from high school, and locally we play a flag football game on the morning of Thanksgiving. And so that's one of our traditions we've been doing for like the last 4 or 5 years at either a stadium or a park, and it's just one of the favorite traditions for us.
I'm gonna have to go with stuffing. Cannot have Thanksgiving without stuffing.
Full plate of mashed potatoes and gravy with a little bit of turkey on there. Solid.
My favorite dish would be pozole.
Mashed potatoes, but I also really like green bean casserole. It's really good.
Cranberry sauce. I could eat my weight in cranberry sauce. Favorite thing by a mile. I love my cranberry sauce.
My favorite Thanksgiving dish is it's two. It's turkey and duck, and I'll be making both this year again.
Stuffing with hot sauce on the side. Or like chopped up fresh jalapenos, anything spicy. Yummy. Oh, and ham.
Well, thank you, Miss Kim.
Thank you.